How to stop autoplay video on your Twitter X application. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is really simple. Of course, first things first, you want to head over to your X application right here or the Twitter application, and once inside you can just go ahead and open up your account for Twitter. From here, you want to click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can then go ahead and see the settings and support, so you can just go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and navigate through the accessibility, display, and languages. Go ahead and click on data usage, and just below that we have the video autoplay. You can just go ahead and click on it, and from here we can then go ahead and choose options. If you want to completely turn off this feature, you want to click on the never option right here. But if you want to choose one of these options, you're free to do so. So by doing that, you have managed to turn off autoplay on Twitter. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.